Hello and welcome to another episode of Resto-Rob. Recently I've been doing a lot of Pawnshop find videos. This is kind of how I find my tools and stuff. So I'm going to show you some more treasures that I've found at the local pawn shops. So sit back, relax, and see what I found. Today's pawn shop find, got this wood handle screwdriver. It says made in the USA, Phillips. In Irwin Stubby Phillips. Got these DeWalt pliers, slip joint pliers. Got a Toyota Motor Company. This here is a Velocek 11/16 by 3/8. This is a Williams 527 with the square bits for like set keys and whatnot. Here is a Cornwell little ratchet. I'm gonna have to soak this and get it cleaned up. 5/8 and 1/4 inch. Here is a Kawasaki 14 by 17 inch. A super wrench, model 1729 and 3/4 by 5/8 Williams. A Fuller Mini 13/32 by 5/16. I thought this little made in China keychain was, and then finally I got this USA slip joint plier. I'll take some better pictures. Of all this stuff. But this is one pawn shop haul. Next pawn shop haul. We've got this True Craft tool, Japan, adjustable wrench. This stubby flat blade screwdriver, but it has this where you could actually torque on it. A Kmart 12mm. Another Kmart, a 3/8. This little wood handle stubby. This Malco, M-A-L-C-O heavy duty all, scratch all. Another pair, this is a CT Crescent USA slip joint pliers. This is a Herald USA slip joint pliers. This is a MULLEM. It looks like they stamped it punch. I'm gonna have to clean this up to find out what maker this is, but it's a little engineer wrench. Well, I like the spin tight Walden spinner. We've got an MCC heavy duty adjustable wrench. Another tiny wood handle screwdriver. This here is a Proto Los Angeles 9/16 by 1/2 inch. Got a Herbrand. Then I got this little chisel 1/8 HP tool. Here's a snap-on 9/16 by 1/2 inch, but it's frozen, so it's gonna soak in some evapor rust. Here is a Hinsdale 3/4 by 5/8. Got a DeWalt bit driver. Here we have a set of DeWalt nut drivers. Here are these DeWalt little bits. They got a swivel action little set. So I've got 7/16, 5/16, 1/4 inch, and 3/8. So this was out of another pawn shop. Well, what'd you think? Those are some pretty good tools there. So I'll be cleaning these up this winter, and hopefully you enjoyed what you saw. So please like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at Robert J. Faust. Thanks for watching.